the Sky Tower. That's Cherry Island. It's a lovely sunny day in Auckland, Albany. But this is GMC Truck Build part, I don't know what. So it's about finished, and all I've got to do is write out the airbag warning and get it upholstered, and then I'm waiting and waiting for certification. Name of the game, pain in the arse. And not him, he's an idiot. Hey Luffy, who's been washed? Pretty boy. Anyhow, the latest creation is waiting, boring. I want to get on the road. This is fiberglass, it's just for show. See the magic grease? It doesn't come off because it's fiberglass. So, collecting dust, as you can see. It's nice to drive. Sort of sitting doing nothing though. Geordie Motor Corporation, built by Geordie, driven by Geordie. Someday. So like I say, it's just the upholstery to do and get the airbags sorted. And where's the go button? Nice. So as soon as that's on the road, or even before it, I'm going to have to start to tidy up the previous Mini Mac, and it's for sale, so I just don't need it. So I'm going to tidy that up, and this little mother still won't run. Electrical problem, V6 Audi, doesn't like the manual box. So basically I just want rid of it. I just can't be bothered. I'm getting to a stage now where I just can't be bothered. Brand new tyres, chopped channel, lowered, widened, lengthened, stretched, Falcon front end, Skyline back end. You put anything you want in it. I'm going to pinch the seats out because it's got nice seats. And the seats are going to go into the V6 Commodore Mini Mouse Rod, which I've just repainted it, and let's say I'm going to change the seats, put them nicer seats in. So I've just spent a week tidying this up. The grill's away getting chromed for the third time. Maybe that's an Austin 7 grill, and it's probably about 50 years old and it's still got good chrome on it. This thing's 7 years old and it's had the grill chromed 3 times. What do you make of that? And the wheels are starting to deteriorate, so I'm looking for a set of 16-inch 100-spoked new rims. I've got the knock-ons and the adapters, but... So, I'm just getting it tidied up for the Leadfoot Festival next month. Change them little things from alley to stainless, make it look nicer. Guards look shiny, they were dull before. So, there's a funny air valve on it, makes a funny noise when you start up. Painted the bonnet 4 times and still not right, still got little dots in it. Silicon, I reckon. Bastards. Anyhow, it's near enough for me because it's just my daily gadabout. It's nice to drive. So, goodbye.